Alright guys, I wanted to show you what we have with our new Roddy Insights. So what you see here is logged in after I've logged into FLS. But what you can do if you want to order a portfolio builder, you can either go to propok.com, or once you're logged in, you can just go here and click Portfolio Builder. Once you do, that opens up our Portfolio Builder software. Again, different URL, same username and password as your FLS account. Same way to get there. When it comes in, there's some videos of how to do things in here, but you can click on Foreclosure Auction. You can get a tour if it's your first time, and it'll show you how to find things on this. But this is our auction viewer. So again, slightly different format than what we have over in FLS. So in FLS, what we have in our format is we can filter and look at our search, and we can say Dallas County, and this is the sheet that we get. We get pictures, we get data, we can see it in list view here. The different version that we have inside Portfolio Builder is we have a map-based program that also has our insights data. So I'm going to type in July. You can also see historical items if you haven't checked out Propok yet, and Dallas. And so now when I click on that, it takes a second to load up, and it'll show all of our properties on a map. You can zoom in to different areas and be able to view it. But what we have for Insights, so with Insights, what we do is we provide drives to the property and title. And so what does that mean? You can click on your property here, and the pictures show up here. So right at the very beginning, my pics, if you use the app and you go take your own pictures with our Portfolio Builder app, they would show up here. But through Insights, if you order Insights, you get them here, you get your received, and you can click through and see the pictures. It says brick and wood 2-story home, corner lot, needs paint on exterior, roof in good condition, no visible foundation. And you can click through, and they've got extra pictures of the house showing that it's occupied. And in the title it says purchase money first, deed of trust, going to sale, no liens found. So that's green light, means that's a safe title. We think you can go bid on this one right now. There's all sorts of other stuff inside Propok that you can use in here. If we found that they owed taxes, it would show up right here. But we can see comp sales, other things where it's tying MLS to give you, some ideas of what to do. Again, you can zoom out, see what it is in the neighborhood. I'm going to click through a few more to show you some other examples of some pictures received. So this one, as we go through the pictures, good neighborhood. They've got pictures of the house, nice and clean, pictures of the roof, trash cans on the side of the house. Everything looks fine. This one has a yellow comment. It says, purchase money first, deed of trust, going to sale, release recorded 11/16, no liens found. But the yellow means that there's something else going on. So what it says is, so there was a release recorded back last year. So it's saying there was a release on that loan. So it's a little bit weird that a loan would still be posted for foreclosure, but maybe it was not released after all. So yellow means we think it's going to be a first, but you're probably going to have some liens, some lawsuits, some extra things to deal with. Click through a few more. This one, the title says red because that's an HOA sale. We're not doing the drives on HOA sales. Here's another one that's red. So it was sold. So this one was sold last month, even though it's still scheduled for auction. Now you know to take that one off your list because it's not actually going to sell. This one is red because it's an HOA sale. Let's jump down and try to find some that have opening bids on them. This one, the title says reverse mortgage, UCC financing equipment, solar equipment. So this one's saying there's going to be some extra liens on it. Typically just need to sign a new lease, but the buyer beware. So it's saying that those solar panels on the roof are not part of the sale. There is an extra tax bill. And then when you go through the pictures, this one, it says vacant, not able to access home, small and cozy brick home, no visible foundation. Lots of items in there. They've got pictures of above the house. You can see the lawn. You can see different items on here that tell you what your valuation should be. They definitely haven't mowed the lawn. They've got the notice on the front door. So these are the pictures and sort of info that you're getting from the drivers when they go out. They've got a picture inside the garage door that just shows there's junk in there. Back to that, they'll give you an idea of what the rest of the house may be looking like. And this is inside the living room. So the picture through the window into the living room shows that. So again, what Insights is doing for you is it's showing you pictures and title. If you want to find any of them, you can also search for the specific address here. So if you were just wanting to see the one on Brian Glenn, you start typing, and here comes Briar Glen. Then when you click on it, same thing. You've got your pictures, you've got your title. As you're going through it too, you can click here and you can plug in your own sales prices, your own construction, your own notes. You can track the property to see how much you're planning to bid. So hopefully that video was helpful.